Hey everyone, this is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. Sorry about the stream tonight. We had some weather come through, some storms, and it kind of wreaked havoc on my internet. I could not keep a stable stream going, so I decided to call it and end the stream. With that, I'm going to go ahead and record what I was going to do tonight, which was cutting the blossoms and the branches for one particular area of the Mount Fuji panel project. So I was going to cut them out, grind them, and do some foiling with them and get everything kind of fitted in. So I'll go ahead and make that video and I'll hopefully get it out on Monday. Now I would like to make a special announcement that we will be streaming next week at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but this will be our first artist spotlight interview with our special guest, Stained Glass DIY's very own SCOARTGLASS. I'm really excited about this stream. It's going to be, I think, a great time. We're going to be able to talk about a stained glass topic, interview SCOARTGLASS to get to know him better as an artist and as a YouTube creator. And we'll be taking some questions from the chat. I hope you'll join us. That's going to be June 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I load new content, when I'm actually live streaming, and when we're doing the artist spotlight interviews as well. If you find the content valuable, ensure to like the videos and leave comments in the comment section of content that you might want to see that would help you out in your journey into stained glass. With that, have a great evening and stay tuned for the next video coming up on your screen.